Want to dance? Want to dance? Want to dance? Can you spin around? Can you spin around? Oh yeah, you said one dance down here, huh? Hi. You need to preen some of those loose feathers out. And Henry's singing? Yeah. La 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 la. Come here. Come here, I'm right here. Hot. How about Wesley? And oh, there's Buttercup. Buttercup. There's Wesley. And Ollie. Where's Ollie? Come here, Ollie. Oh, Charlotte, don't bite, please. Ollie's having a drink. Hi, Ollie Bird. Yay! Oh, there's Wesley. Hi, good boy. There's Buttercup in the back. Buttercup. Yeah, she says, I know my name. And there's Ollie. Ollie. Yeah. And Charlotte. And Banana. Woo! Good boy. And how about some budgies? How about some budgies? Oh, budgies, I know you hate the camera. I said, don't film us because we're camera shy. But we're so pretty that I can't help it. Yeah, I can't help it because you're too pretty. And how about Morgan? How are ya? Here's the Red Morgan shield. Hi, Mork. And there's Aria Jane right there. Oh, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, handsome boy. Yeah, and where's Henry? Here's Henry. He's having some papaya. Oh, what a good boy. Did you stop your song? You come over with your papaya to say hello to the camera. Say hello, camera. You're going to show off your papaya. That's your favorite. Oh, what a good boy. Good bird. Good bird. Did Dad put the blues on for you? That's fun. You like that, huh? Good boy. Oh, papaya is the best ever.